This revolutionary product can kill 99.9% of germs that collect on your toothbrush. After your dish sponge and kitchen sink, research concludes that your toothbrush is the dirtiest object in your house. Experts at England's University of Manchester found that over 100 million germs can collect on the head of an uncovered toothbrush. These toxic germs originate from your toilet, sink, plaque and adjacent toothbrushes. They can cause cavities, gum disease, bad breath and even infect you with viruses like the flu. But thanks to a recent breakthrough, these dangerous germs can be destroyed before they ever reach your mouth. This new device uses the all-natural power of ultraviolet light to sterilize your toothbrush. The germicidal UV light starts working in seconds, making your brush as clean as the day you bought it. It saves you money and keeps your most vulnerable loved ones safe.
Definitely check out Bril.
It's called Bril, short for brilliant. An internet sensation, Bril is already protecting mouths all over the globe. Bril was invented by Julie C. Allen. It was born from Julie's personal struggles with oral hygiene.
I remember at the time I was getting constant infections in my mouth. My dentist ordered me a prescription mouthwash to help, but it was expensive and it didn't solve the problem. All the chemicals just dried up my mouth, making my infections even more painful. I was determined to find a solution, so I consulted many dental professionals and conducted even my own extensive research. What I discovered just blew me away. I found out the problem wasn't with my mouth, it was with my toothbrush. I was cleaning my mouth with my toothbrush, but I wasn't cleaning my actual toothbrush.
Kimberly Harms, dentist and consumer advisor for the American Dental Association, agrees with Julie.
It's important to remember that plaque, the stuff you're removing from your teeth, is bacteria. So you're putting bacteria on your toothbrush every time you brush your teeth.
I couldn't find a practical way to clean my toothbrush. It just didn't exist. I needed something that was affordable, 100% natural, and easy to use.
One day, while visiting her sister in the hospital, Julie noticed a room with a massive, odd-looking light. A doctor explained to her that the light was used to emit a wide blast of ultraviolet rays. The powerful UV rays kill the bacteria in the room, making it a safe and sterile environment.
That's when I knew I had the answer to my problem. I needed a toothbrush case that could emit natural UV light. There would be no need for dehydrating chemicals inside my mouth.
Right away, Julie consulted with the proper technology experts and registered her product with the Food and Drug Administration.
I want something so easy that any kid could use it.
The result of Julie's dedicated passion was Bril. Simply place the head of a toothbrush inside Bril and close it. Inside a 360 degrees ultra-deep sterilization automatically begins. From all sides, a germicidal UV light attacks every possible contaminant. It destroys the DNA bonds that hold germs together at the genetic level. This process kills germs permanently and prevents them from multiplying. Once clean, Bril continues to shield your toothbrush with 24-hour protection. The all-natural cleaning power of UV light has been scientifically proven. Bril is so compact you can take it with you anywhere. It is compatible with every shape and size of toothbrush on the market. All of us are susceptible to germs that cause gum disease, bad breath and viral infections. But Bril can kill 99% of those germs before they ever reach our mouths. It's a must-have to protect the health of vulnerable seniors and children. Bril uses the same technology that cleans hospitals, schools and the International Space Station. Its UV light is safe and 100% natural, just like the sun. Join the thousands of people using the protection of Bril every day. Click here for more information.